You can keep your video off, huh? Sum number 14. A spacecraft flying in a straight course, that means in a straight line. A spacecraft in a straight line is flying with velocity of 75 kilometer per second. Are you able to hear me properly?
Yeah, sir. Clearly,
Okay.
properly.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Moving with velocity of 75 kilometer per second. Fires its rocket for 6 seconds. It is firing the rocket means there is acceleration for 6 seconds. At the end of this time, its speed becomes 120 kilometer per second. Okay. Find the spacecraft's average acceleration when the engines were firing. This is first part. Second, distance traveled by the spacecraft in first 10 seconds after rocket motors were started. In 10 seconds after motors were started. The motors have been in action for only 6 seconds. 10 seconds after motor has been started. But motor is in action only after 6 seconds. So since motor is in action for 6 seconds, hence,
So U is initial velocity, na?
yes, hence after 6 seconds, acceleration will be 0. So whatever is velocity acquired at the end of 6 seconds, that will continue for further 4 seconds. Because acceleration after 6 seconds is 0. Now, we know V is, or we want acceleration, A equals to V minus U time T1. Acceleration is only for 6 seconds. So 120 minus 75 time is 6 seconds. 120 minus 75 will become 45 upon 6. 6 into 7, 42, remainder 3. 6 into 5, 30. This many kilometer per second. Please copy first part, acceleration wala.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we want what is the distance covered in 10 seconds. Distance covered in 10 seconds we want. Can I say distance covered up to 6 seconds is with acceleration and after 6 seconds is without acceleration? Can I say like this or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting me what I'm saying? Till 6 seconds
Yes.
motor is on. That means with acceleration. But we want answer for 10. So first 6 seconds acceleration, next 4 seconds is without acceleration. I'm writing that statement so that you understand. Motor is in action only for 6 seconds. Therefore, 6 second wala accelerate displacement is accelerated and remaining 4 seconds is uniform. So this word I am writing. In first 6 seconds displacement is accelerated. In next 4 seconds displacement is without acceleration. Very important term. Therefore, total distance will be ut plus half t square, first part, where t is t1. T is t1. And second part, it will be with velocity v into time t2 minus t1. This second part, everybody followed?
No, sir.
First wala acceleration formula is ut plus half at square. Then it moves uniform. Uniform means speed is distance upon time. Distance is speed into time. Speed becomes 120 and it remains for 6 seconds. Clear?
Yeah.
So 75 into 6 plus half. AV got 7.5 into 6 square plus 120 into 4. 6 into 5, 30. 6 into 4, 742. So 45 plus half into 7.5 into 36 plus 480. 2 into 18. So 450 plus 18 5 is a 90. Carry 12. 18 into 7, 126. 126 and 12 is 138 plus 4.
Sir, how did you get 138? I did not understand.
I just multiplied 18 into
Sir,
7.5.
we have to take half into 7.5 then.
2 से
into
कैंसिल हो
36.
गया ना 36. 6 स्क्वायर है ना. 2 into
Yeah,
18 is
18 into
36.
7.5 will be 135, na?
18 into 5 is 90. Carry 9. 18 into 7, 126 plus 9, 135. So 135.0. Plus 480. This equals to 5. Okay. 0 plus 5, 5, 5. 8 and 3, 11. 11 and 5, 16. Carry 1. 5, 6, 4, 10. 1065 meter. Who has not followed this sum? Yes, everybody has followed.
Sir, I did not understand. What is VT? That second one I did not understand.
You just tell me what is uniform, what is non-uniform speed ka formula, displacement ka. If body is in acceleration, what is displacement formula?
This UT plus half AT square.
But if it is moving uniformly, then what is formula?
S.
If it is moving uniformly, then what is formula for distance?
If we have speed, then we can find directly.
You tell the formula here. What is there? I will tell. If moving uniformly, what is formula for distance?
This time into speed.
So V is what? Speed at the end of 6 seconds, which is 120. And then remaining time 4 seconds. So speed into time. Time is 4 seconds, which is
Okay,
total
that is
time.
T2 minus T1. Acha.
What you are able to see? T2 minus T1.
Okay, understood.
ये difficult सम है, easy नहीं है, पर concept समझा? पहला 6 सेकंड तक
हाँ sir.
acceleration, दूसरा
हाँ,
4
sir.
सेकंड तक uniform.
Yeah, I was thinking a minus H. I told this formula. I did not.
नहीं, sorry, T1 है, अच्छे से लिखता हूँ. Right. See, if you are trying for entrance exam in better way after 10th, then this all concept should clear at 9th only. Any doubt, keep on asking, we have time.
Yes, sir.
And some extra lectures, if you are free, either you tell me we are free, can you keep, or if I keep, you support me, that's it.
So, and this bit in the first 6 second displacement is accelerated, in next 4 second displacement is without acceleration.
Without acceleration, yes, because they are telling the motor is switched off after 6 seconds. Acceleration गाड़ी a motor दे रहा है ना. In the sum they have given after 6 seconds motor is switched off. Read the sum. Motor is action only for 6 seconds. Na? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
See, motor is in action only for 6 seconds. Na? Motor in action means what motor is doing? Motor is giving acceleration. That means it is increasing the velocity at every instant. Yes, Abhik, followed now. Bhavya, Abhik, followed.
Yes, sir, follow.
Ivani, Khushbu.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arav, Kavya. Arav and Kavya followed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nime, after class, you wait for 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Done.
Everybody has done?
Yes, sir.
Abhik, read sum number 15.
A train starts from rest and accelerates only at a rate of 2 meters per second for 10 seconds. It then maintains a constant speed for 200 seconds. The brakes are then applied and the train is uniformly retarded and comes to rest in 50 seconds. Find the max velocity reached, the retardation in the last 50 seconds, the total distance traveled, and the average velocity of the train.
Very important sum. May not come in the exam, but your higher standard may have favorite sum. Shamit, again you can read.
Sir, yes, I can.
Read it.
The train starts from rest.
State starts
And
from
actually,
rest means U was 0.
U is 0. U is 0.
U is 0. For what
And
time it is?
Yeah.
Hmm.
And accelerates uniformly at 2 meter per second square for time 10 seconds. Is 2 meter per second square and time is 10 seconds.
Hmm.
It then maintains a constant speed for 200 seconds. So T1 is 200 seconds. Then brakes are applied and the train is uniformly retarded and comes to rest in 50 seconds. So velocity is 0.
Uniformly retarded, and the brakes are then applied and the train is uniformly retarded and come to rest in 50 seconds. Find maximum velocity. Maximum velocity is v only ना. मतलब
नहीं
फर्स्ट पार्ट पे जो वेलोसिटी आ
हाँ।
गया वो कांस्टेंट रह के फिर कम हो जाता है, तो ये मैक्सिमम है ना.
हाँ,
Who is maximum? V is
हाँ।
maximum.
yeah,
Okay. So can I say understand it? So diagram I have explained you. Diagram समझ गया सबको बराबर. A to B वाला first part, acceleration 2 for time 10 second, starting 0. Suppose velocity becomes v after 10 second. This v is constant for 200 second, then decreases to 0 after 50 second. Okay. Hello.
yes sir, yes sir.
So maximum velocity reached comma v is u plus 8t1 or not? Tell me.
Yes sir.
So 0 plus 2 into 10, that means 20 meter per second is maximum velocity reached.
Sir,
I
for
hope
you T1 is 10 seconds, na? Yes.
maximum it becomes where after 10 second. So T1 is
Yeah,
10
yeah.
second. That is our first part of motion.
No sir, actually I wrote it T. That's why I was
See,
asking.
whatever you write, it is notation, whatever you understood that you substitute. I have written in diagram T1, T2, T3. So I should understand what is T1. If I write T, I should understand what is T. That's it.
Yeah sir.
So first part everybody has followed.
Yes sir.
Then retardation in last 50 seconds. Retardation means which acceleration? Negative acceleration, na?
Yes.
So can I say in last 50 second, initial velocity is same as v, which is 20,
Yes. 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 Yes.
and final velocity v dash is 0. Time taken is t3 50 second. So my formula A is v dash minus v upon t3. Am I correct?
Yeah. V1 minus.
V dash I have written, v dash. Final
Instead of that-
velocity minus initial velocity. Final velocity v dash. Initial is v. Time is 50.
Initial V is 0 now.
Initial is not 0. Final is 0.
Final is 0. Yes. Final
Initial is
0.
20. Time is 50. So minus 20 upon 50. That is equals to minus 2 upon 5. Which is same as minus 0.4 meter per second square. Yes, any doubt till this?
No sir.
Nobody's having doubt, Nimai?
Or can you
No, sir.
explain that first top right part again? I still can't understand it.
First
Top
you have-
left, top left.
First you have to read that sum 2-3 times. Read first time.
A train starts from rest and accelerates uniformly at a rate of 2 meters per second
Plus
for
halt,
10
halt,
seconds.
halt. So train starts from rest. I have taken that point as A. Start means U0. For 10 seconds it is
Zero.
accelerated. So T1 is 10. During that its acceleration was 2. So पहला part आ गया ना AB. Got it? First
So the
part.
velocity for the speed velocity for first part is 2 meters per second and time is 10 seconds.
Which language you are reading this sum? English or any other language?
English.
What is given? Accelerates given or velocity is given?
Yeah, accelerate, sorry.
Then you are telling velocity becomes 2. Starts from rest with acceleration 2 for 10 seconds. This is first part. Second part, then maintains constant speed. So v. How much time? 200 seconds. This is second part. After 200 seconds, retards, means finally comes to rest. But in how much second? 50. So here there are 3 parts of motion. Acceleration, constant, retardation. Clear? Yes, clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
There are 3 parts of motion. Acceleration, constant retardation. If this not understood, again I have to explain. How many of you have not understood that there are three motions?
Understood, sir.
First part for 10 seconds, then for 200, then for 50. Clear?
Perfect.
Abhik, you are there or where you are gone?
Yes, sir. I'm here. I'm here.
So respond. If you are here, then have you followed? There are three part of motion.
Yes, sir. Followed.
Now maximum velocity is at B. That means after 2 seconds. Then constant. Then decreases. So I took time 10 seconds in which its speed will become maximum. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And in last 50 seconds, its initial speed u is v, which we calculated 20, and finally it is coming to rest, so v dash 0, and time taken is 50, so final part ka acceleration is v dash minus u v upon t3, which by substitution I got minus 0.4. Now tell me who has not followed.
Followed, sir.
Okay, copy this. See, those who are asking, they have to respond now in between. So there will be some connection. Otherwise, how to understand? I understand what you are following or not. Abhik, you followed? You asked the question.
Yes, sir. I followed.
Okay. Nima, you are there?
Yeah. Yes.
Nima,
Yes, sir.
did you went through that video lecture? Did you went through that video lecture?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I still have doubt. I don't think you have seen it. Otherwise, you would have told with more dominating voice.
Sir, I've seen it.
You have seen, okay. So my testing will be the test.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
done.
you can start.
Done? Everybody is done?
Once.
Okay. Now they want third part, total distance traveled. How many part of motion are there? Throughout it is same acceleration or different acceleration? No.
Yes, sir.
Throughout it is same
Sir, sorry,
acceleration. There are 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. How many part of motion?
Three parts.
In second part, what is acceleration?
Second part, nothing. Matlab,
Nothing means what? 0 or 2, 3?
yeah, 0. The
Zero.
speed isn't changing.
Yes, yes. So can I say my formula is 3 part ka displacement aisa?
Yes, sir.
This is ut plus half at square. T is here t1. You can calculate separately also and then add. Separately
हाँ.
करता हूँ. नहीं तो आपको तकलीफ होगा. First I am finding displacement for first part, then second part, then third part, then I will add. See, if you have grasped the concept, then directly also you can do. So for first part, ut1 plus half at1 square. That is 0 into 10 plus half into 2 into 10 square. 2 to 10. So S1 equals to.
Acceleration is 2.
Who is asking this rubbish question again and again?
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, I did a mistake. That's why. Sorry. In writing.
S2 is constant, so speed into T2. Speed we got by calculation as 20 into time 200. That means 4000 meter. For third part, ut3 plus half at3 square. See, we have calculated acceleration. You can also go by v square equal to u square plus 2s. So for third part, initial speed is v t3 plus half a t3 square. V is 20, t3 is 50 plus half, acceleration we got minus 0.4, correct?
Yeah.
And time is 50 ka square. You copy S1, S2, then S3 I am explaining again. Copy S1, S2 part. Please copy only S1, S2. Yes, calculated S1, S2.
Number 1 second.
Yes, sir.
S3 is accelerated motion, therefore u t plus half a t square, but u is v, t is t3, a we got minus 0.4. Then I substituted the value 20 into 50 plus half into minus 0.4 into 50 square. 1000 minus 0.2 into 2500. 2500 into 2 is 5000. Put decimal after one digit. So we got 500. So total distance covered equal to comma s equals to s1 plus s2 plus s3. S1 we got 100, S2 4000, S3 500. So 100 plus 4000 plus 500. So 4600 meter. This is the total displacement covered from start to end. Copy.
Answer.
Okay. What is average velocity formula?
Total displacement upon total time.
Beautiful. Total displacement upon total time. So average velocity is total displacement upon total time.
This upon whatever the time total.
Well,
comes.
yes, correct.
10 plus 200 plus.
Average velocity equals to total displacement upon total time. Total displacement 4600, time is 10 plus 200 plus 50. 4600 upon 260. I can cancel 0. 2 into 13, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 230 upon 13. Now 13 into 1 is 13. Remainder will be 10. So 100, 13 into 7, 91.9, remainder 0. 13 into 6 is 78. So 12, remainder 0. 13 into 9, 117. You can stop here. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This was difficult sum, lengthy sum. If in school they give, they will give 5 marks. Or they will cut some section and then they can
Okay.
solve. Now for I have completed your second chapter completely. Next class, half an hour I will do revision and 1 hour I will do law of motion.
Sir,
Yes,
voice cracked. So 1 hour of what did you say?
I said next class we'll do mixture. Half part revision, half part our third chapter.
Okay.
So that in case school runs faster, we can catch them. At the same time, you can score full mark.
Sir, so now you will have to solve one in our
Huh?
test. We have to solve in class only.
Yes, you have to solve in front of me. You have to
Okay,
keep
sir.
your video on and you should solve. I will send the paper.
Okay, sir. Sir, how many marks?
1 minute, I will check. Questions are 10.
Sir, you said every question 3 mark, therefore 30 mark test.
Yes. You all have completed this?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Paper I'm sending on the group. Abracadabra. Gaya. Okay, this can I clear now screen? Yes, screen I can clear if everybody is done.
Sir, I'm